What would happen if we tried to extinguish the sun with water? Firstly, to attempt to douse the sun, we would need to create a gigantic space fire hose and a vast amount of water. However, even if we used all the water on Earth, it likely wouldn't be enough to extinguish the sun. Therefore, to avoid wasting Earth's water resources, we would need to find another method, such as finding a water-rich planet in the universe and hurling it at the sun. Luckily, we know of such a planet about 40 light-years away named GJ 1214b. This planet is 3 times the size of Earth, has 6.5 times Earth's mass, and its surface is almost entirely water, with a 100% water content. If we were to connect this planet's water to our space fire hose and aim it at the sun, would it extinguish the sun? As the water reached the sun's atmosphere, it would face immense resistance and evaporate due to the sun's intense heat. The water vapor would then decompose into oxygen and hydrogen gas. At that point, the sun might appear as a massive fireball because its internal pressure is billions of times greater than the Earth's surface pressure. This immense pressure causes hydrogen atoms to fuse together, forming helium and releasing vast amounts of energy. Since hydrogen is essentially the sun's fuel, pouring water on the sun would be like pouring gasoline on a fire, potentially causing the sun to expand massively. As a result, Mercury might be the first to be engulfed by the sun. Earth might not be swallowed, but the temperature would increase significantly. In such a scenario, we would not be able to extinguish the sun. However, if we had enough water and poured it at the speed of light towards the sun, it might reduce the core's pressure, preventing hydrogen from fusing into helium, thereby depriving the sun of its fuel. This means the sun would be extinguished. However, without the sun's warming light, the temperature would drop to below -100 degrees within a year, and our Earth would eventually become a frozen world.